to learn and grow together with Mrs. Bukky. Hello, my name is Lulu. The color for today is pink. I am going to show you lots of pink objects. The chair is pink. The button is pink. The clock is pink. The house is pink. The brush is pink. The gummy bear is pink. My dress is pink. Pink, pink, pink is my favorite hue. Every day is magical just for me and you.